TheSmartLocal.com.
Hi guys.
Hello. You can't just ask that question.
Wow.
So sudden.
You should have told me, asked me like prep me 1 week, but
The Lord of the Rings.
Persist.
Wait, what?
I think the most recent movie that I really loved, right, was the Hacksaw Ridge.
Oh. Really, it's story, right?
Yeah.
If the story doesn't make sense, then what's the point?
Acting,
the direction.
cinematography, OST.
It's not what we think it is.
It's all
They
fake.
do
It's all fake.
Yeah,
I've seen
yeah.
the video before.
Oh, the one that went viral on Facebook.
Hi, my name is Yiting and I work here at GRYD and I'm the Director of Audio Post Productions. So at GRYD we do music production and audio post production. So Foley is the art of creating custom sound effects to picture. We take props, any kind of props to recreate the sound of whatever's happening on screen.
Hey.
What's your team name?
What's your team name? Capsize?
Yes.
We are captivating. Because when you hear our video, you're going to be captivated. So what's your team name?
What's
What is our team
name?
We don't have one.
You mean to make a random sound.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good luck subtitling that. Listen. Tick 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 tick. Okay, handphone confirm.
Hey, you want to eat or not?
Hey, The feet.
Oh,
Wow, the
she's
effect.
doing damn basic stuff.
Yeah,
We,
So this part,
wow,
right?
Mushi then committed to his role.
He did something with
Yeah, I know. It's
Okay.
okay, this one easy. This one easy.
I think we can.
Alisa was like, "Buh." Stress.
Armpit's really sweating.
Okay, we need to plan. We need to plan.
Okay. I'll do the running.
Why? Okay, then I do all the cloud sounds.
Yeah, you do the cloud.
Ra! I hear Ra!
Over here.
Ra, where are you?
Over here.
Hey, play the piano, baby.
Okay, I do Allison's knife, you do Mushi's knife.
Okay, sure. It sounds like a bird. Okay, we watch the video, then we break it down. I have to do like a switch, ah. Oh wait, I think they have a switch there.
Where? Oh!
Ah, we got one thing.
You guys are going down.
Okay, I think we need to arrange it. Play video again. Ah, hey, correct. That sound like legit.
Oh, I think it's wood.
No.
Because, no, we were... Yeah, they ran on.
You try. Oh yeah, why yours sound nicer than mine?
Your feet heavy.
Mine sounds damn bad. Yeah, okay, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm obviously doing everything.
No, that was terrible.
You shut up.
Okay, we cannot be using what Q is using for the sword hitting because
No,
it
no.
just sounds very
Okay.
It's gone!
Okay, wait. Then we allocate.
I'm already doing most of
No, you
it.
allocate. Oh mate,
Actually, I think he's only
I will probably
one.
end up soloing.
When you squeeze the damn tomato, right? Focus here.
Okay.
Fight.
Okay, that's a wrap. Oh my god.
Wow.
I don't want to team with you anymore.
I also don't team with you anymore.
See, this is what we meant by watching it is easy, but being here is
that's true.
horrendously difficult.
Okay. Ah!
Breakdown. This is not the fault of one Chuan.
On their rehearsal, they're crumbling even more than us.
Yep.
At least that's what I think.
Hey,
What?
your headphone got tomato.
Actually, I just got the production team to buy the watermelon to distract them. We obviously knew we weren't going to use the watermelon.
One eternity later.
Chuan!
Okay, sorry.
This is Singaporeans Try, not Singaporeans Die.
That was a journey.
No, but it's really very difficult when you're here because like you have so many things to use and you have no idea what you're doing.
And then you're like quite stressed because like, what's next? What the? I don't remember.
And then
seeing
you're
it.
just having a breakdown and a meltdown.
Yeah.
We definitely did better.
I think our video will be great.
My name's Jeff, but your coffee? Yeah, I'm like...
It's totally off.
It's so anyhow. The voice over.
All the sound effects then unnecessary.
You know what they sound like? Malaysian Ultraman. Always had this kind of like.
Pengaruh pembunuh tu dah pun hilang.
We are missing a lot of sounds.
Totally off. It's not even like matching to the lips.
Yeah, so like the other day I was like looking for, oh, hello.
Looks like theirs also quite out of phase.
There was hardly any stirring sound. Oh, there's a dog. There's a dog in there. Oh.
Now I feel a bit like scared because I think Ryan and Chuan might do better than us.
Really, man? I'm quite confident. No, I'm actually very impressed that they managed to get the sounds and then when they put them at the right timing, right? Like it does sound correct.
I'm quite concerned and I'm just kind of trying to think about what John must have been thinking while producing the noises for this one.
Okay, let's do this. Let's watch Ryan and Chuan.
I'm ready to cringe.
Yes.
It's another day at work. Just texting mom. And then it happened.
Hey guys, anybody want some coffee? It's the last packet.
Free coffee. But first, I had to kill that guy.
I think they're damn creative. I wouldn't even think of doing a VO. Like a voiceover of like, you know, telling the story.
You know what? A lot of grunting noises.
There's a lot of grunting and there's a lot of the cane. A lot of.
They are fighting, right? There's a lot of like unnecessary clanging also.
It was a tough fight. But I did it.
Wait,
But I didn't.
we didn't even get the stabbing sound.
I thought we did.
I thought we did. There's no stabbing
Hey,
sound. Was there a stabbing
they
sound?
cheat us. We stabbed the freaking watermelon.
I stabbed the freaking watermelon like 10 times.
What the?
Sweet, sweet coffee.
No, actually, I think when during the tearing or pouring part, right, there was the clanking of the cup. So it was totally mismatched. Yeah.
The sound of the stirring of the cup appeared when Ellie was already sitting there and sipping the coffee.
Actually, I think they didn't do as well in terms of the Foley aspect.
Yes, I think I agree.
Right. Good. I think both videos were decent, right? I would say. Do you think they're decent?
No? I'm actually quite disappointed. I actually thought we would do better.
I think I would say both of ours are quite different, but the same. Both equally questionable.
Okay, the professional version.
Anybody wants coffee? Last packet. Whoa.
How come got the like the
Got a shing and then got a dum 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 dum. Nobody told us this was part of the deal.
Whoa, why they never add that for ours?
Okay, stop. Why got background music?
Why got background music?
Why got the reverb? Like you shing. I was just shing. Finish already.
Yeah.
Oh, what? They even can guess what he said.
No, I don't think he really said sayonara.
It looks like he said that.
See, that's how it should have been.
Where the hell did they get the cat sound?
They probably went like downstairs. They took the stray cat, they moved the stray cat up, and then like meow.
Meow pass, you pay
Meow.
like 50 cents. Just do it. When we were at the studio, we kind of watched the pros doing it, and they took a long time to just film like a few seconds of the clip.
I just think it's so much more layered than what we did.
It's like if I watch a movie or film that was made by us, I would leave the theatre. Like you'll feel like damn awkward and like painful, right?
When you're in the spot, right, watching the clip being played at the same time you're supposed to be doing the noises, you're just like...
You just freeze.
Don't freeze.
I also expected it to be fun and very easy. Because I thought just grab this, grab that, and just make the sound, right? Wow, but it's super stressful and then very hot.
Just background sounds, Foley, music, that sort of stuff. It really changes the way you've experienced a movie.
Yeah.
Because like we just saw the exact same clip 3 times but with entirely different sounds.
Yeah, that's
And
really cool.
Yeah, and the feeling of each clip was so different.
Yeah.
So the more you don't notice the amazingness of the Foley artistry, right, means the better it is.
Gonna watch a lot of movies.
I'm gonna watch like movies and just be distracted by imagining how they came
Yeah,
up with
then
this
at the
noise.
end, right, they're like, wow, Chuan, you know that scene? And you're like, did you hear
Did you hear that?
noise though?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this episode of Singaporeans Try.
And special thanks to GRYD for teaching us more about Foley. If you are interested, you can check them out on their website, which will be in the description box below.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and watch our other videos.
Over here.
Here.
Here. There. Wow. Okay, bye.